So one of the things that you can actually go ahead and work around with Adobe Media Encoder is you can export out interlaced footages as well. So over here, let me just go around and choose, let's say for example, another format. Let's say for example, I'm going to go around for MPEG-2 format, which commonly had interlaced format in use. So here you can see that by default it's a progressive field order, meaning these days actually what happens is that progressive videos are the common ones. But if you are using exporting out videos for old system which actually handles interlaced footage better or only supports interlaced footage, then you can actually go ahead and uncheck out the field order right here, and instead of progressive, whatever you need, you can go for upper first or lower first right here on the interlace right here. So these are two different standards of interlace that you can actually go ahead and use. So now if I were to go ahead and select this, let's say for example, now what I can do is I can go ahead and export it. Let me just go ahead and choose, let's say PAL DV for this right here as the standard, and I'm going to go ahead right here. You can see it says lower first, so that's fine. Let me just go ahead right here and export it out. So you can see that this is what you have. So if I were to go ahead and press OK and press the play button, you can see that I actually have this video exported out now. So now this is the video that you have. Let me just go ahead right here, open it out with VLC player right here, just like this. Let me just go ahead and always select it. Then you can see that this is the video that you have right here. So now what happens is that if I were to go around, you can see that the de-interlace mode is turned on right now. Let me just go ahead and turn it off and play it out. So once I do that right here, over here in the video, just like this, you will be able to see some combing effect. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that if I were to go around over here, now as I were to actually play it, you can see some lines right here, just like this. You can see some combing effect right here, which means this is an interlaced video. Modern video players actually go ahead and automatically turn on the interlace mode. But if you need it in this format, as you can see, you can simply go ahead and change the settings in Adobe Media Encoder to change it into an interlaced video as you like. So that is how you can go ahead and change the field order and export an interlaced video from Adobe Media Encoder. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.